lettuce. I know I haven't done a lot of videos in a while. Every week we'll do like ones, and let's get this started. We're gonna do a little one. We've got a lot of lettuce. We've got, because if I move that here, there's like about 30 odd in there, probably about 10 in there. So I'm going to put them, if you can see here, in this little plant pot. And we might do it just with a lot. I don't know how many plant pots we've got. So I'll do one more. And I might do it's very hard to decide which one. This one. So we're gonna put this one back on. It's gonna dig the hole in my finger. Okay, so we're going to do like this quite a few times, so I'm going to come back to you when we've done a lot of these. So I'm going to see you for now, guys. Bye. Hello guys, and now we've done all of this trimming the lettuce now. So if you see that now, like a bunch of them are gone. So these ones we're going to let until we've done all like full, and these ones we might have to trim again. And they've all gone over here, and over there there's some over there as well in the green carrot. So this is good in the green box, not carrot box. So thanks for watching. If you haven't, subscribe and like the video. I'll see you for more gardening videos. Bye.